Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to send to devices on Google Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome, both mobile or PC, and you're browsing or accessing a web page or reading a book, you want to continue your session on another device, here's how you can do so. Now, for example, on mobile here, I am currently on this web page and I want to share it to my PC to continue reading this book. Now, if you're doing this on the mobile, there are two ways you can do this. In the URL section here, you can tap here, and then under the URL, you're going to see share. Tap on share, and you see the option to send to devices. You can tap on this, and you see all the devices that are connected to your Google account. Now, for this to work, you have to be logged in into your Google account on both browsers. You can also do this when you tap on the three dots here, and then you're going to see share. This will still bring you here where you can tap on send to devices. Tap on the device you want to send to, and on that device, and you get a pop-up with page shared from another device. Simply tap on open in new tab, and this will open that URL in new tab, as well as even continue from where you stopped. Now this is if you're reading a book. You can also do this on your PC. I'm going to be using this web page as an example. In the URL section on your PC here, you want to come here and highlight the URL. Now right click on the URL and you're going to see send to your devices. Click on this and you see your connected devices, which for example, this is my phone. Click on the device you want to send to and you get a notification on that device. Simply tap on the notification and this will open that URL and you can continue browsing. So if for some reason you're not finding your devices, you want to come and click on your profile at the top right corner here, and then you want to make sure that sync is turned on. But once sync is turned on, you'll be able to find any connected devices. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.